What is up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti, and I am here today at Hot Tongue Pizza in Silverlake. Today I'm gonna try out Hot Tongue Pizza's buffalo pizza and their margherita pizza, both vegan. Let's see how Hot Tongue does vegan pizza. All right, guys, we've got our Hot Tongue Pizza right here. We got the buffalo and then the margherita. The buffalo comes with shiitake bacon. The cheese is made in-house. It's cashew-based cheese. It passes the appearance test with flying colors. Let's see if it passes the taste test. This right here. This Hot Tongue buffalo vegan pizza is fire. Buffalo sauce carries it. Spicy, not too spicy. With the cashew cheese, you lose a little bit of that stretchy draw that dairy cheese brings. Having said that, the cashew-based cheese is delicious. I really like it. The texture doesn't bug me at all. It's creamy. The crust is incredible. Crispy, crunchy. I like it a little burnt, just a little crispy. They nail it. Hey, the shiitake bacon, not mad at it. You lose a little bit of the crispiness of bacon, but it's got a nice chew to it. Doesn't pack quite as much flavor as normal bacon, but it's a great substitute, I will say. It's not too rubbery or weird or anything. They char the shiitake bacon a little bit on the outside to help kind of give it that crunch of regular bacon, and it looks just like it. I'm very impressed with this bacon substitute. The buffalo pizza is a knockout. Now on to the margherita. Looks like a hell of a margherita. Does it taste like one? Let's find out. This right here. This vegan margherita pizza from Hot Tongue is fire. That's one of the best margherita pizzas I've ever had. Basil brings a freshness to it. Oh my God, the sauce, it nails the margherita taste. I'm not losing anything from the cashew cheese. I couldn't tell the difference between the cashew cheese and regular dairy cheese. Tasted delicious. There's no flop, as old Portnoy says. Bottom even has a nice crispiness to it. Tastes like a unique margherita, man. Who says they don't make good pizza in LA? Hot Tongue Pizza slaps. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thank you, guys. Buffalo pizza and their margherita pizza. Man, 10 out of 10. The man himself, 10 out of 10. This man knows how to make a pizza.
Hey, thanks for coming in. It was hitting.
It was hitting, man.
Thank you so much for coming in.